Hey folks, and welcome to another video of mine. If you're new to my channel, then first of all, a big welcome and thank you so much for watching. In case you're wondering what kind of content do I put up on my channel, then you can expect one tech related video on every Wednesday of the week, like the one that you're watching right now, and one lifestyle or food related video on every Sunday of the week. And now that I've mentioned that, let's keep that aside and focus on the video today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the launch of the Redmi TVs in India. Now, I know I'm very late to the game, especially when it comes to this video, because by the time I release this video, the launch of the television would have already happened. But hear me out, please, because this video may still be useful to all you folks, because I'm going to be talking about the Redmi Max TVs, which were recently launched in China. Most likely, it's the same TV that's coming to India as well. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the design, I'm going to be talking about the specifications, I'm going to be talking about the features that stand out, and finally also the tentative pricing of this TV here in India. With that said, let's get started folks and get to find out all about the Redmi TVs. I believe Redmi wants to take this line "Bada hai to behtar hai" to a whole new level. Now, they recently launched their Redmi Max TVs in China, and they launched an 86-inch variant, and they also launched a 98-inch variant. Now, the 86-inch variant is the one that we're going to be focusing on today, because that's the one that is most likely getting launched as the Redmi television here in India. So let's get started with the first thing, which is the design of the television. Now, first of all, this TV is huge. And with a television this big, they have focused on making this television sturdy and strong. Now, what I mean by that is that it comes with an all metal body. However, it comes with minimalistic bezels on the side, making it aesthetically pleasing, you could say. And when it comes to the stand, in fact, even their stands are not plastic stands, they are metal stands. So it adds to that strength or that sturdiness factor, and it gives you this build quality which is superb. So in terms of the design, in terms of the build quality, you will not be disappointed, because Xiaomi has really come through and delivered a fantastic design and a very sturdy build quality. So kudos to them in that department. Now, when it comes to the specifications, it has all the goodies that you would want in your television in 2021. You name it, you got it. Let's start with the list. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, MEMC, and it even has HDMI 2.1, so that you can enjoy those games, along with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Not only that, it also has a DLED panel with 10-bit color depth, and it has 92% of P3 white color gamut. So, like I said, you name it, they got it. Everything that you would need in a television. Now, when it comes to the configuration of this television, it comes with a quad-core processor, which is your Cortex A73 quad-core processor, and it even has the Mali G52 for the graphical processing power. And apart from that, it comes along with 2 GB worth of RAM and 32 GB worth of internal storage. And most likely in India, it will be launched with the Android TV OS. And I hope they launch it with at least the Android 10 or the Android 11 TV OS. And I'm looking forward to it getting launched with the Android 11 TV OS, because that would mean that it even becomes future-proof. So that's in terms of your configuration and the specification. Not to forget, it even comes with 25 watts of internal speakers. So that Dolby Atmos can actually be put to good use when it comes to the sound department. So it will satisfy or check all the right boxes when it comes to the specification and the configuration of this television. Now, features that really stand out when it comes to this television would be the 120 Hz of refresh rate with that MEMC, coupled with also the low response time. Now, this is like a dream come true for gamers, especially given the fact that with the current gen consoles like PS5 and the Xbox Series X, you get such a boost when it comes to the visual experience on such a big screen. Now, that is what really stands out. Well, apart from that, you also have Xiaomi's own patch wall UI interface, which is really good. And it also is going to come with smart connectivity, meaning the Internet of Things, where you can connect your smart gadgets to this television and control all these smart gadgets through simple voice commands. So these features really stand out, and it kind of makes this television great value for money, because it is actually giving you back so many times over from the price to value perspective. Speaking of price, now finally the Redmi Max TV, which was launched in China, the 86-inch variant, was launched with a price of 7,999 Chinese yuan. Now when you convert that over to Indian rupees, it comes up to 90,000 Indian rupees. So considering that, if it is the Redmi Max TV, the 86-inch variant, which is getting launched as the Redmi television in India, it's most likely that this television will be competitively priced. And when we say competitively priced, I believe Xiaomi will price this at around the 90,000 to maybe 1 lakh Indian rupees when it comes to offering this to the Indian customers. Now, even at 1 lakh Indian rupees, that is a steal, because you're getting 86 inches of visual goodness. So it definitely comes through on that price factor as well. Finally, who is this television for? Now, it's definitely for people who love the latest and the greatest tech. And the icing on the cake is the fact that it comes at a competitive price for the latest and greatest. Number two, if you have a huge living area, then you definitely would need this television to be put up in that big living area, because this is going to satisfy your requirements or expectations. This is a big TV, 86 inches worth of that visual goodness that I spoke about. Number three, you do want a big screen experience, especially with this COVID around. A lot of people do not prefer to go out to cinema halls and watch movies on the big screen, and are kind of missing that big screen experience. Now, the only other option that you have is setting up a projector at home and having like 100 or 120 inches worth of big screen projector experience at home to substitute going to the movie halls. Well, it does come along with a lot of hassles, like setting it up, putting it on, etc. So if you want to avoid all that hassle, then this TV is definitely going to make a lot of sense to you folks. So you will be able to enjoy that big screen experience without going to the cinema halls, without the hassle of setting up a projector, and still getting that big screen experience. So this TV is definitely for you. And not to forget that the pricing that they are looking or targeting to launch with is going to be extremely competitive. And at that price, I personally believe it's going to be a steal. And one should seriously consider looking at this TV if you're out in the market to buy a television. Now, with that said, we come to the end of this video, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you think of this video. Please, after every video that I post, I look forward to your comments. So please suggest, please write what you feel about this video, so that I understand, what you want, what you're suggesting, or what your thoughts are like, and I look forward to it, folks. So please keep writing, and it's your comments, it's your suggestions which keeps this channel going and growing. And I'm very grateful for that, and I really, really appreciate your love and support, folks. That's a wrap for this one. Until we meet again in the next video, folks, this is me signing off. Thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, and may God bless you all.